Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a turkey breast half in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I've got a turkey breast half here. This one is 2.47 pounds, so about 2.5 pounds. This one was $4.49 per pound, so $11.09 for this. Now, it says right on the package that you really should have a thermometer and you want to cook it to 165 degrees Fahrenheit minimum. So, my slow cooker here has a built-in thermometer. It's really cool. It just plugs into the side and then you stick this probe right in the meat and then it shuts off at the temperature you want. So it's perfect for this. Now I also have this other quick read thermometer. This one is a ThermoPen by ThermoWorks. I've had this one for about 10 years I think, and it costs about $90, but it's really good. I haven't even replaced a battery in it and it's really accurate. I just ordered that online right from ThermoWorks. And then my grandson dug this thermometer out of a drawer the other day. I don't even know where it came from, but you can buy these cheaper type ones, you know, like at the grocery store or, you know, different stores like that. Those are usually less money. But anyway, let me open this up and we'll see what it looks like here. And we'll get it into the pot. I'm just going to cook it in the dry slow cooker without adding any liquid. I do that a lot with meat. So that's what it looks like here. I guess I'll just rinse it off real quick and then we'll get it into the pot. That's all rinsed off. Now I'm going to season it with this Kinder's Mild Barbecue Rub. This kind of gives it a nice color, but you can season it any way you like. Just some salt and pepper is good if you don't have any kind of a rub. I've already seasoned the bottom side, and I kind of positioned the turkey breast off to the side so the thickest part of the breast will be right lined up with where I want to put that thermometer. Alright, now we'll put the lid on there and see, we got the hole right there. Now we'll just take the probe and put it right into the breast right out there. Okay, now I'm going to set my pot and push the probe button there. I'm going to cook it on high. Enter 160 degrees Fahrenheit. I think I'll just use that because it will keep cooking for a while once the pot shuts off. It won't just instantly stop cooking. This shut off after 2 hours and 10 minutes and it's been sitting in the pot for half an hour. So I'm going to see what the temperature of the meat is right now. (176 degrees Fahrenheit), and it shut off at 160, so it climbed 16 degrees just sitting in the pot for half an hour. Let's see how this looks. Pull that probe out of there like that. Take the lid off. Looks pretty good to me. I'll get it out of there and we'll try it out. Well, let's cut into this thing and see what the inside looks like here. Well, looks pretty good. Let me try a bite here. Slice a piece off there. Probably could have set it for just a little bit lower shut-off temperature. It climbed 16 degrees. It looks pretty good. We'll see how it is. Tastes like turkey breast. Came out pretty good, but I'm more of a dark meat guy. I guess we better let Annie try it. The skin doesn't turn out very good. It comes out kind of soggy, so let her try a piece of skin. There you go, Annie. She had no problem with that. So like I said, that shut off after 2 hours and 10 minutes. If your pot doesn't have a thermometer, it's really best to have a thermometer and just check it with the thermometer, because it's going to vary depending on how big your piece of meat is. They vary, they're all different sizes, so if you have a bigger one it's going to take longer, but it's pretty hard to guess. I've done that and either end up with raw chicken or raw turkey breast or really dry turkey breast, so a thermometer is really the way to go. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.